Oh no.
And that will be your canoe for the race.
No, taking this one.
And Mororik present. No. Belk?
Yeah, he went for my shirt. Yeah.
Booby and Curb not present.
So cute.
Yeah, because there's like much more weight in this part. Yeah, the north must be less.
This might be symmetrical, so it might not even matter. It's not. It looks like everybody's getting ready. 2 pedals for you. Yes, like that way, so you can. First time, all right.
First time at FurryEST.
So the way this works is 2 of these canoes are going to be on the water at the same time. So you're going to be racing each other, just 2 other canoes. So I believe it's going to be you 2 teams there. You're going to be the first one racing, and you're going to go down that way the river. You're going to go to the party boat, and you're going to see Sankui on one of those like those bikes, those like water bikes. And when there's like an invisible line next to them, and they're gonna yell something like
Burger King.
Burger King or touch. I believe they're gonna yell touch when you reach that invisible line. So keep paddling that way until they yell touch. And then you turn the kayak around, and then you come back here. And this is gonna be the finish line. So you leave here, go to the party barge, you see Sankui, they yell touch, turn around, come back here.
No.
Alright, all understood?
Where's the finish line?
The finish line is right here, when you get back here.
So we turn around, not around the water bike, but when they say touch,
Yes.
We just rotate and go back.
Yeah. It's like, it's gonna be evident when you get there. Just don't crash into Sankui while you do it.
Not good.
You wanna stitch?
Because there's the problem that we're facing that it's going into the nagu süti on. Ma ei tea, näete, kuidas see...
Sure. They're in the shack. Can you go grab a couple? So we have a couple for everyone.
Lowering. See? Olemas. Ma olen täielikult kumb õla sa tahad?
Ma ei tea. Sul on parem tehnika, et võta selle disaini vahel.
Mul on parem tehnika, come on, ma tean, et sama palju kui sina.
Sul on parem tehnika, mis võta, lähme äkki korda mööda vaata, et siis ta saab ka aidata.
Okei. Ma olen päris kindel, et ma tahaks ise ka hakkama, me oleme ju saanud, me oleme käinud aegi. Vaata, ma lükkame selle vette, et mul on mingi külje peale, vaata.
Üks hoiab niimoodi ja teine hoiab maas sinna, aga no...
Alright, you good? I'm gonna push you in.
Oh no, the duck is getting a head start. That one over there.
Oh, yeah.
You're cheating.
No. Alright, I'll see you all in water too.
Oh.
We actually have our own technique for getting in.
Oh, you do? Alright,
No, but we still want to help you.
Yeah, we have done this many times before. We just need,
But I don't remember.
the canoe in the water.
Oh, alright.
I think guys just like overcome me. Just tell me what you need to do then.
Please take life first.
Okay.
I don't want to
We're
drag
the only ones who's gonna be safe.
Why do we have to get disadvantage?
Because they already left.
Oh, you can take the life vest to them.
If they fall in the water, I'm not rescuing them.
I know how to swim.
We can take the life vest to them, yeah.
It's a little close, it's fine.
Sorry, I don't really want to drag people out. So
Hey, you're the medic.
Oh yeah, you're on duty. That'll be your problem.
Backward.
I wouldn't be surprised if we all know how to rotate, so it's gonna take another 10 minutes.
But that's the fun part.
That's the fun.
Nobody knows.
I need the body rest so we can.
I cover it here.
I have to send it to them. Delivery service.
You're like a trying to make my tail wet as usual.
All right, excellent. And
I am ready. So you have the light first.
Yeah, I do.
All right. And then let's form an orderly line. Yeah, about there where you all are.
Pidurda korra, kun puolen mä hakkun sinä. Kas kun sinä pidurdat kerran sinä puolella?
Minä pidurtan ja sinä heidät kerran varmaan. We got life vest delivery.
Oh yeah.
Bong.
Whoa, first collision.
Kun on vain siihen puolelle kerrottu? Siis molemmat suvamalla. Kun on vaan vasakulle kerrottu, molemmat suvamalla. Okei, ja sinä pidurtat, kun on vaan molemmat kerrottu.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, let's go! Woo! All right, oh my God, there's gonna be a collision.
Dropping is racing.
All right, there are off on the canoes.
Off you go, and just line up the green team.
Leonard, look, there's a stork. Congrats, Green. Now starts the epic finale between Orange and Green. guess it's a final. Woo! Let's go! They're so fast! And don't forget, they are starters. The other team, Team Green, is lacking a little bit.
Oh, finish line. Basically, people are standing where you finish right there. It's not where it was last year. Yeah. Skill. Oh no. Go, 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 go! Oh no!
Oh! Oh!
Be angry! Don't give up! Come on! Oh no! Get pushed, man! Skill issue. You can see the champagne bottle popping already. Look at quality pigs.
What's Team Green doing? No! Oh shit.
Rakt in i vassen då.
Team Orange, congratulations for the Canoe race of FurryEST 2025.